back to the vlog, you guys. Jesus here. We want to show you our new shop car. We decided the Huracan wasn't good enough. We wanted to do something with a little bit more horsepower. If you guys don't know, this is a brand new Lamborghini Revuelto. It is a hybrid. So you got a V12 with, I believe it's 3 electric motors. So it's fast. It's a fast car. A lot of attention for sure. People love the car. They came to our grand opening and we pretty much showed it off. A lot of people walking around, they loved it. But it's time to change it. We're bored of the yellow. We want to do something new, something that hasn't been done before in a sense of like crazy color on this kind of type of car. We're doing pink. So it's gonna be a matte pink by Avery Dennison. And we're doing it for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So check it out. I got a week with this car to completely transform it. We're gonna do a full wrap. We're gonna powder coat the wheels. We just got it tinted already. So tint, you can see it's already limoed out pretty much. Enjoy some B-roll of it yellow, because it's not gonna be like that anymore.
Are we filming?
We are, yeah.
For those who don't know, this is Avery. She is here. So Avery is working with Avery. Yeah. Gotta laugh, bro. Put the laugh reel thing, the little laugh soundtrack. Like the ones from like sitcoms. No? You guys are fucking dicks. I'm probably gonna get a lot of shit for this, but I do know what I'm doing. I'm not a SoundCloud rapper, bro. I'm an iTunes rapper. Here, Avery, take this. All right, we're on day 2 of Revuelto. As you can see, we got the hood dialed in, fenders are dialed in. Follow me this way. Freddie is somebody we work with pretty often. We called him in, he's an expert. He got pretty much this fender door dialed in. What I'm working on is front bumper. So since we're gonna be rewrapping this car eventually, I did all my inlays on this intersection gloss black, just to avoid, you know, doing them again, because they are pretty time consuming and like weird. So that's dialed in. We're gonna be laying this bumper now in pink, obviously. So we're gonna have Avery help. We're gonna lay it and wrap it. We're gonna be going with a gloss black from 3M, high gloss black. The reason why we're doing that is because it looks cool. And what we're doing now is just measuring this piece. It's all one piece. So that's one thing about these Lamborghinis. They're all kind of shaped in this roof connected with the pillar, which is kind of one of the things I've only seen like on Ferraris and Lamborghinis and such. So we're cutting out this piece. It's all gonna be laid in one piece. I keep saying that. And we're gonna fucking do it. I don't know what else to say, my friend.
Jesus fucked up. He was supposed to tell me when he was laying a panel. He didn't tell me. He's pissed off and stressed because he's not finishing this car in time.
I wonder why that is.
It's due in a few hours and all he's been doing is dicking around all week. So do you have anything to say?
Maybe if you did your job, I wouldn't have to tell you how to do your job. I wouldn't have to
help me help you.
You don't help us. You make us
all right.
wait for you.
Anyways, this is what we got going on. Jesus has done a great job wrapping this car, all jokes aside. Looks great. I believe in Jesus, even though I was rude. I believe he will meet the deadline. Daniel, you think we're gonna meet it? We don't really have a choice.
We don't have a choice, Vlog, Jesus, Azim. We don't have a choice.
I said it's gonna show up. Whether it's gonna show up on a tow truck, it's still gonna show up.
Don't say that. Don't say that, bro. Just kidding. Listen, guys, Lamborghini Revuelto, we've never wrapped one before, and there's always a first for everything. So I don't think many people actually have their hands on this car. So what do you guys think? Is it hard? Is it difficult?
It's easy.
Easy?
Why isn't it done then?
They're all easy. Because good work takes time.
Correct. That was a good answer.
There you go. Come on, a little props for my guys, bro. Don't cut the tension, guys.
All right, I love Jesus, guys. It's actually a tough love.
If you guys only knew the drama going off camera.
Oh my god.
Look at these corners. Look at these edges. I mean, this thing just perfect.
Azim called me a dirty beaner. That's
Whoa,
why
we
I'm
can
upset.
cannot put that in the vlog. That A did not happen, and B, even if it did, we wouldn't put it in the vlog. Just kidding.
There you go.
I kind of believe Jesus. I don't know.
There you go. Food's here. Yeah. See, this is why the job doesn't get done. He's eating the whole time. Just throw other shit in the vlog. Oh, what the fuck?
I'll eat one.
In addition to the Revuelto, we got the G-Wagon came back. We wrapped this thing probably 3 months ago. Customer got some damage on the door, so we rewrapped it real quick, real easy, in and out. We got the F-150 Lightning doing a color fade wrap going from orange to black. Similar to the Cybertruck that we did in the last vlog, which is also right there. This guy came in for window tint again, and he also dropped off another truck to get wrapped. Wheels are off at powder coat. Fade wrap's almost done. TRX in the corner, full wrap, door jams, everything. And we got like 6 cars on the lot. So one more, I just want to show one. Of the 6, can we just go out there real quick?
Daniel's in a really good mood right now, guys.
I'm hungry. I need to get out of here and eat, so I just want to get done. What up, Jack? My boy Adrian's new whip. Not bad. Not bad. Looks real good. He's there making out there.
Who's in there?
Maybe not dress.
They're probably doing things they shouldn't be doing right now.
Peep the STO. What do you think, dude? If you buy a Huracan, this is what you buy.
I genuinely think this is the second best looking car we have ever had in the shop.
What's the first?
Revuelto. And
Yeah.
even then it's close, bro. I get it's $1 million car, but this is a race car.
This thing is
This is
awesome,
styled, bro.
The back, the vent, the wing, everything about this car is perfect. I wouldn't do anything to it.
Agreed.
The best Huracan you can get for your money.
The color too.
The color's sick too.
Pretty crazy.
There's an issue though.
Holy crap.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh
much
my
air.
god.
What happened?
I don't know.
Did he say anything?
He didn't see it. I saw it when I fucking threw it in.
That's a bubble in the tire, bro.
Yeah.
What is that? What do we do?
Overinflation. Fucking Biden, bro. Inflation.
That's like
not
literally.
inflation.
We call that Biden right
This
here.
is not funny.
Inflation.
That's called tire
Oh my God.
deformation.
I told him, I was like, bro, these tires you can't just get anywhere.
Yeah.
Wait, so that's not from overinflating it?
No.
So Bridgestone's a good
Could have
brand.
been from when they dismounted
They're
the
decent.
tire.
I have
You
Bridgestone.
accidentally
I thought it was
stretched the
like
wall
whack
too
as
much.
fuck.
So then you cause a deformation.
The
of
engineer is
sidewall.
speaking.
Do you think that's gonna go away, or do you think that's dangerous?
It ain't going away.
You think it's dangerous?
We gotta roll it down the street. I think we'll be fine.
Fucking shit, man. Well, we getting new wheels too.
That color looks off.
It looks nicer.
No, this looks beautiful.
That's as close as Ray could get.
This is
like
beautiful.
trying to wrap. Like, you should never try to wrap powder coat to wrap.
Yeah. This looks sick. I can't wait to see them.
It's gonna be just enough like contrast. That
Okay,
shit
guys.
is-
Yeah.
Wide as fuck.
Deflate the tire.
Yeah, I would think like, oh, it just needs
Damn.
less air.
Heavy, bro.
Sorry.
It's gonna look sick. It's gonna look fucking sick.
It's gonna look nice. Like,
Yeah.
the color scheme can look real nice.
Damn.
Mess with it.
Dude, you know what?
just-
If this car was satin black with those wheels just like that, game changer,
I had to
bro.
do some Jenga to get this shit to fit.
Jenga.
Yep.
You can jangle these.
Jangle these what?
It was in my front passenger.
Well, I'm gonna send you guys the bill to detail my interior.
Oh goddamn.
I got a guy.
I know a guy who knows a guy.
Yeah. His name's Roger.
Edwin's gonna charge you.
Damn. These are insane. Dude, they honestly came out way better than I thought they would have.
Yeah, this looks so sick, dude. So the pink's a little different. That's intentional. We wanted to give it a little color pop. I think that the wrap is more of like a satin bubblegum pink, and then this is more of like a fuchsia pink. But I think it's gonna look really dope. What do you guys think? Am I wrong? Am I lying? I think it fucking looks crazy. OnlyFans girl.
Yeah.
It's like an OnlyFans car, right? And then
Alright guys,
No, no, no.
fools. We're doing the last panel. The freaking Lambo. What's upside down? Upside down. Come on, bro. Rookie. Directional. I'm teaching him.
Why'd you do that?
Because it was supposed to be funny. It's supposed to be like, oh, the final one. Let's go.
guys. Thank you guys. Everybody's staring now. That's how hard this is. All right, guys. You've seen the Revuelto get wrapped. It went with the pink. Looks super dope, but this is actually going to change really fast. So it is for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We're going to be running the wrap for probably another 2 weeks. Then we got to unwrap it and get it ready for SEMA. SEMA's happening at the beginning of November, so that means we got about 2 weeks with this. This is a quick flip wrap and came out perfect. I really, really like it. Went with the satin pink along with the satin pink wheels with the gloss black roof. Matte pink?
It is matte, yeah.
It's matte pink. So correction. Yeah, have you seen it on the road? Shoot us a tag. Go follow us on Instagram. We haven't said that on the vlog yet, so follow us on Instagram. Come hang out with us. Appreciate you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.
Yeah, I got floaters in my eyeball, coasters by the shot glass, smoking let my mind fall. Plenty roaches, no ash, stepping on the critters, jitters going through my spine. Should be used to a state of a poor man's mind. It's just PB no J, Kool-Aid no sugar, boiling the bath water for warm showers in winter. Work cooking, she clean. Mama was a magician, she switched it and turned the tub to a washing machine. Air drying and clothes, hanging up with my woes.